the questions of class. So for example, here there is one question, question number 1, second part. We will not do directly 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3y equals to 5. We can write this equation in this form: 3 by 2 into 1 by x plus 2 by 3 into 1 by y equals to 5. Now you make the substitution. Let 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. 1 by x equals to a and 1 by y equals to b. So what will happen? This equation will become what? ये equation क्या बन जाएगी? This will become 3 by 2 and in place of 1 upon x plus 2 by 3 and in place of 1 upon y you can write equals to 5. Now after this what will you do? Who can tell? इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? इस फार्मूले here in order to change in this pattern, what will you do here? This is very simple. Anyone can tell?
So LCM.
LCM. What will be LCM here?
Sir, 6.
6. So divide LCM by the denominator. LCM को 2 से divide करो तो 3 आया. 3 into 3 9a plus 4b equals to 5. This is 9a 4b equals to 30. This is equation 1. Now in the same way you change the other equation also. What is the other equation? 5 upon x minus 3 upon y equals to 1. So once again, what you can write 5 upon x. 5 upon x can be written as 5 into 1 by x. 5 into 1 by x minus 3 into 1 by y equals to 1. Already you have assumed 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. So what will be that equation? 5a minus 3b equals to 1. This is the equation 2. After this, we will solve both the equations 1 and 2 simultaneously. We will solve them simultaneously. जैसे पहले solve करते हैं. So you can see here solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. And by which method? So we will prefer to solve by elimination method. We will prefer to solve by elimination method. Elimination method से solve करना. 9a plus 4b equals to 30 and 5a minus 3b equals to 1. Suppose you want to eliminate b. Suppose हमको क्या eliminate करना? b को eliminate करना. Then you make the coefficients of b equal. Make the coefficients of b equal. Now what is coefficient of b here? What is coefficient?
4.
Here?
Minus 3.
Yes, minus 3. But we will ignore the sign. Here we will not take the sign. So 4 और 3 का LCM 12 आया समझे। तो 4 को 12 बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय विच नंबर,
Sir, 3.
3. So you will multiply this 4 equation by 3 and this equation by
4.
so now 3 4 ja plus 12b, 4 into minus 3 minus 12b. What will you do, add or subtract, ऐड करेंगे कि सब्ट्रैक्ट, एक जगह प्लस 12b एक जगह माइनस 12b. नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू, you will add them or subtract, now
Sir,
tell me.
add them.
You will add them. Why you will add them, because both are having opposite sign, so this and this will be cancelled. Now 3 9 ja 27a, 4 5 ja 28 equals to 90 plus 4 1 ja equals to 94. So what is A? 94 upon 47 equals to 2. But you have taken A as 1 upon x. Since A equals to 1 upon x, therefore 1 upon x equals to 2. 1 upon x equals to 2 means 1 equals to 2x. 1 equals to 2x. So what will be x? Therefore x equals to 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2. Now after this, what will you do? By using A equals to 2, you determine the value of B. Determine the value of B. It's clear? So you can see here. Substituting A equals to 2 in equation 2. Here equation 2 is written. I will substitute A equals to 2 here. When you will substitute 5 2 ja, so what will be minus 3b. So you can see here 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. So what is b? 9 upon 3 equals to b equals to 3. It is clear? Now you can see here. अब b की वैल्यू कितनी है, हमने क्या एज्यूम किया था, we have
Sir, B
assumed
equal to 1 upon y.
b equals to 1 upon y. Therefore it is equal to 3. So y equals to 1 upon 3. Y equals to 1 upon 3. How I will find y equals to 1 upon 3? इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर दो, 3 को यहां ले आओ, y को वहां. So y equals to 1 upon 3. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here, you take one more question. Here, this is one equation, question number 2 and 3 of same type. I am doing 3 first part. 3x plus 14y equals to 5xy. This is equation 1. And 21y minus x equals to 2xy. This is equation 2. First, I will simplify these equations and write in the standard form. And what is the standard form? Ax plus by equals to c. So see, dividing both sides of equation 1 by xy. Dividing both sides of equation 1 by xy. So see here it is 3x upon xy. Every term will be divided by xy. Every term will be divided by xy. When you will simplify here, what will you get? Who can tell?
Sir, x will be cancelled from 3.
X and
X
x,
upon X.
y and y will be cancelled. And here xy and xy
Y and
will
XY
be.
will be cancelled.
So what will you get? 3 upon y plus
Y
14 upon x equals to 5.
5.
But first we write the term containing x. कुछ ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, but we will write term containing x first and then term containing y equals to 5. Now 14 upon x means what? 14 into 1 by x. 3 upon y means what? 1 upon y.
Upon Y.
Equals to 5. Now what will be the substitution? Who can tell?
So 1 upon x is equal to a.
1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b.
B.
Let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. So it will be now what? 14 a plus 3b equals to 5. This you can name equation 3. This we have named as equation 3. Have you understood? बोले.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now similarly
Yes, sir.
you divided equation 2. Both sides of equation 2 by xy. Here equation 2. So this is 21y upon xy minus x upon xy. 2xy upon xy. When you will simplify, what will you get? Y से y x से x cancel, xy cancel. Means what is left here?
21 upon X minus Y 1 upon Y is equals to 2.
Very good. Now by using these substitutions, इन substitutions का यूज अगर करें तो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी?
So 21a minus 1b.
21a minus b equals to, this is equation 4. Now solving 3 and 4 simultaneously, you will get a and b. Solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Now see here, जब इक्वेशंस इस टाइप की होती हैं तो उनका एक परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन होता है x equals to 0, y equals to 0, that will not take, that we will ignore. इसके so in the answer sheet it is given, in the answers it is given, but we will not take that because that is the permanent solution. We have to find the unique solution. इसके इस टाइप की हर एक इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन वो you write any number here. Its solution will be always that. So that solution is not unique. वो solution क्या है? Unique नहीं है. यूनिक सोल्यूशन हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे इस तरीके से. Now see here, solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. So equation 3, 14a plus 3b equals to 5 and 21a minus b equals to 2. अब देख लो b के साथ जो टर्म्स हैं उनकी नंबर्स छोटी हैं तो हम b को कैंसिल आउट करना चाहेंगे. So see here, you multiply this whole equation by which number? इस इक्वेशन को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं b कैंसिल हो जाए.
Sir, 3.
B. So now it will become minus 3b, it is plus 3b. It means what will you do? You will add. Because signs are opposite, therefore add. If same sign, then subtract. So see here, this and this will be cancelled. Now 14a plus 3 into 21, 63a equals to 5 plus 6. So it is equal to 11. So a equals to 11 upon 77.
A is equals to 7.
A equals to 1 upon 7.
7.
Now we will substitute a equals to 1 upon 7 in equation 4. Substituting a equals to 1 upon 7 in equation 4. A equals to 1 upon 7. So when you will substitute, you can get here 21 into 1 upon 7 minus b equals to 2. 7 3 jar. So 3 minus 2 equals to b. Therefore b equals to 1.
1.
Okay. Now since a equals to 1 upon x you have taken and here it comes out 1 upon 7. Therefore what will be x? तुमने क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया था a equals to 1 upon 7. A equals to 1 upon x and here a comes out 1 upon 7. Therefore x equals to 7. 1 equals to 1, x equals to 7. Similarly b equals to 1 upon y and 1 upon y you have found how much? B
Sir,
equals to 1. b क्या फाइंड आउट किया है हमने 1 फाइंड आउट किया. हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया था ये पर b की वैल्यू आई 1. So you equate them. When you will equate, so 1 equals to 1 into y, that is y means y equals to 1. So what is answer? X equals to 7, y equals to 1. This is a unique solution of this pair of equation. While x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, it's not a unique solution. वो तो उस टाइप की हर एक इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन होगा. Suppose if you write this 11x plus 5y equals to 7xy. 2x minus 3y equals to 9xy. इसका भी सॉल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So this is not a unique solution. You have to find unique solution. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in question number 4 and 5 I am going to explain you question number 5 first part. Here you have to solve the equation twice. You will solve twice, then you will get x and y. Now you can see here
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Now it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 12 upon 7 into 1 upon 3x minus 2y equals to 1 upon 2. Now what substitution you will make here? So here we will take this as A, this as A, and this as B. It is clear? Here we will take let 1 upon 2x plus 3y equals to A, and 1 upon 3x minus 2y equals to B.
B.
So what will you get here? A by H. From there, what will you get? 12 B upon 7 equals to 1 by 2. Now you take the LCM. What will be the LCM? So
14.
LCM. So 7A plus 24B equals to 1 by 2. Now you multiply 14 in that side. 14 in that side you multiply. 4B equals to. So this is equals to 2 1 jar, 2 7 jar. So 7A plus 24B equals to 7. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. सबको आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now see the second equation. Second equation is 7 upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 upon 3x minus 2y equals to. So this you can write 7 into 1 upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 into 1 upon equals to 2. Now, as you know that you have already substituted in place of 1 upon 2x plus 3y, you have assumed A, and in place of this, you have assumed B. So, when you will make these substitutions, what will you write here? Because already you have assumed A and B. So, this will become 7A plus 4B equals to. This is equation 2. Now we will find out A and B. Firstly, we will find out A and B. So I am solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. You solve them. So 7A plus 24B equals to 7. And 7A plus 4B equals to 2. You can see here, in both the places there is 7A. What will you do? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract. So subtract. And when we subtract, then we will change the sign of second equation. इसलिए उसके टर्म्स के साइन चेंज कर देंगे. जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन होगी उसके टर्म्स के साइन चेंज कर देंगे. There is no sign here, it means there was plus. हमने लिख दिया माइनस. 4b here it was plus, now I made minus. 2 के पहले कोई साइन नहीं था मतलब प्लस, so now it is minus. So now this and this cancel. 24 minus 4, 20 equals to 5. So b equals to how much? 1 upon b equals to 1 upon 4. Now you will substitute this value in equation 2. Then substitute in equation 1 also, but here I am substituting in equation 2. Substituting b equals to 1 by 4 in equation 2. Substitute, saving a plus 4b. 4b, so in place of b this. 4 and 4 cancel.
Cancel.
So saving a equals to
2 minus 1.
इसलिए ये तो हमने एक बार सॉल्व किया. नाउ सी हियर, from here you can see that a is equal to how much? a कितने के बराबर था? इतने के बराबर. इसलिए since a equals to 1 by 7 and you have assumed 1 upon 2x plus 3y. So what would be 2x plus 3y? Who can tell? हमने वैल्यू निकाली a equals to 1 upon 7. And earlier we have assumed a equals to this. So what is 2x plus 3y? Who can tell? बोले?
So 1 upon 7.
Not 1 upon 7. You cross multiply this into this, 2x plus 3y. 7 into 1, 7
7 upon 2x plus 3y.
will be equal to 7. It is equation 3. जैसे देख लें, इस चीज को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ये आया 7 into 1, 7. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have determined b equals to 1 upon 4.
3x minus 2y.
And here b equals to this. And here it is. So what will be 3x minus 2y?
3x minus 2y is equals to 4.
Equals to 4.
Is equation 4.
Now listen here. After this, what will you do? You will solve 3 and 4 simultaneously. When you will solve 3 and 4 simultaneously, you will get the values of x and y. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
जब हम 3 and 4 को solve करेंगे, we will get the values of x and y. Means here we have to solve 2 times. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I have explained all type of question in exercise 5.4. 5.4 में हमने सभी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एक्सप्लेन कर दिए. आए समझे? अब सब लोग क्या करें? इस एक्सरसाइज को करें. कर लेंगे? बोले?
Yes, sir.
सभी लोग इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे. अब नाउ आफ्टर दैट we will begin problems on simultaneous linear equation. So, and you do the practice of factorization. So first we will do exercise 7 and then after that we will do this. It is clear?